All right, guys, this is gonna be Friday's trade recap. I'm sorry I couldn't get it out by Friday because I was kind of busy. So here we are. Let's get this on the road. Okay, so marked out 4 hour liquidity to the bottom here because I figured after we made new all time highs like up here, then I think we're gonna take shorts now because I feel like we topped out. Okay, now my confluence is marking liquidity between 2 a.m. and 5 a.m. If market opens above, then it's going to be a sell position here. Now I'm going to show you why. So basically, I marked out the times here. I got 4 hour draw and liquidity, got my times marked out. Now let's look at market open here. We opened strong with a nice 830 full bullish candle. That's just great. I mean, I love that's just furthering my confluences right there. So let's scale down to 1 minute here and let's get on with it. Okay, so we open with some strong bullish price action here. We're making a nice SMT that I see here from here to here, just basically looking at 1 minute there. Now I know that ain't really strong because I mean we're scalping here on like 1 minute there. So, but I mean if we go up here on 5 minute, I mean that's already 5 minute bullish structure right there. 5 minute bullish SMT. That's just even greater there. Spotted that out there. Okay, we're coming in closer here. We chop up a little bit here on that 1 minute price action here, making another strong 1 minute bullish candle there. Now I'm just looking for some manipulation here and some 5 minute manipulations. So let's go back up to 5 minute here. So basically I see this candle close here. I'm thinking that we should enter. I kind of waited this candle out because I wasn't exactly sure if we were going to short directly after making this 5 minute candle here. So I decided to wait here. So let's go back to 1 minute now. Sorry that I'm swapping between these time frames, but I mean this is just what I was doing here. So I see that we chop a little bit more here. Now I'm almost for sure we scaled down here. We're waiting for another push up. I'm pretty much just waiting for this another 5 minute black candle to close. Basically, just some more manipulation that has entered the market. So I finally found that manipulation. I'm like, this candle has to be it here. We closed with some 5 minute manipulation here, and pretty much I'm just looking for partials here. So I decided to set my partials right here on this 5 minute black candle here. But if you trade on TradingView, it's gonna push this as this 5 minute candle closes. It's gonna push it down here. But I promise you, I took some shorts right here. I mean, I took some partials right here. I entered in with 2 contracts. You're gonna see right here with the picture. There should be a picture that's gonna pop up right there. I'm just gonna give it some time, and I think that's good. Okay, so let's get on with the trade here. So we're inversing this strong 5 minute bullish candle here. It's looking great. I decided to set my full take profit right here, and I do exit early. So I close out with this candle here. I decided to take my final partial. I sold off my final contract right here. We were like 2 ticks away from hitting full TP. So I'm just grateful for what I got. I fully closed the trade out. As you can see, we get a nice reversal here, inversing this 5 minute gap here. So I guess you could took longs from this, but I feel like personally it would have been better that you would have took shorts here. I mean we would have hit full TP at like 11:25, but decided to exit my trade at like 10, because we were swapping classes at the time. So right at class ended, just close the full trade out there because I felt like this was a really good trade here. So let's go back to 1 minute so you can just probably just see what 1 minute price action was here, or you can just open your trading view and look for yourself. But I'm gonna show you anyway here. Some thoughts here. I did get a little scared when we decided to chop right here. It was pretty scary because I guess like right here, I almost wanted to call it quits because I felt like we were probably gonna inverse and even go even higher. But hey, I stuck to my trading plan. I was like, I'm confident in this trade. I had good risk management, 1 to 2 here. So, and then we got within 1 or 2 ticks from full TP, decided to exit. So, yeah, that was pretty much the trade recap for today here. And I'm gonna read you something on my phone. It's basically just notes that I wrote down, and I'm gonna read them out for you. So it's basically just gonna be about if you believe that you can change your life and become a millionaire at a young age. So I'm gonna read you that there, and yeah. Oh, and also, we also made new all-time highs here, and we're just chopping, and we're actually in bearish order flow here as the market closed. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this trade recap here, and I'm gonna read you this on my phone here. Hopefully I don't chop it up because this is already second take. All right. If you don't believe that it's possible to change your life and become a millionaire by the age of 25, then just scroll. This video is not for you. But for the people that stayed, you know how powerful that belief, that tiny bit of faith that you have within yourself. It says in the book created by the universe here that you have the faith within yourself. It says in the book by the creator that if you have the faith the size of a mustard seed, then you can move a mountain from here to here and it will move. Okay. If you have ever had that sort of courage and that belief within yourself, I hope that you know that every single one of your dreams from the bottom of my heart, it will come true. There is nothing that you will lack in the end of this life. You'll actually believe that it's possible. For the people that left, they don't get it. They don't even believe that it's possible. They're never going to get there. Their mindset, that's never going to become true. They're never going to become successful. Now you, the faith that you have and the belief and the drive that you have in your heart is there for a reason. Not everyone has that hope, but I know that you will. So the confidence that you have and the purpose that you have is not for your convenience. So therefore, you need to go get it. So go out there, believe it, and go get it, and have the will of fire within you. So I felt like that was pretty powerful. So now you just need to have the will of fire, the faith, and that tiny bit of faith, the size of a mustard seed, to be able to go get it, to be able to go get and chase your dreams. Now, I need you to take what all I just wrote down and apply it to your life and to be able to go out there and go still have that will of fire within you. Because if you have that tiny bit of faith, I bet that you can move mountains as well. So that's all I got for y'all for this Friday trade recap. I know I'm posting on a Saturday, but you'll probably see on a Monday. And I'm dedicated to this because I'm making this video. As you can probably see on my screen, it's like right there. You're probably watching it. This video is made at like 1 o'clock in the morning. I am dedicated. So I have that will of fire, that size of a mustard seed, and I can move mountains. I hope. But now that's going to be it. I'm going to catch you on the next trade recap. I'm going to catch y'all guys later.